Two hot topics in data center networking today are open architectures and network virtualization. Arista is the leader in software-driven cloud networking and is at the forefront of driving these concepts and ideas into deployable realities. Arista's approach is something we call the Open Control Network, or OCN. The OCN is Arista's initiative for delivering best-of-breed, interoperable VXLAN control plane solutions through our strong partnerships and through standards-based control plane options. So let's break down VXLAN into its subcomponents so you get a better understanding of where this OCN idea fits in. VXLAN has three primary functions: the orchestration, the control plane, and the data plane. From an orchestration perspective, we're talking about the automation aspects of this, the policy management aspects, the visibility of the underlay to the overlay, and so forth. And this is typically implemented into one of the SDN controllers that exist and is offered in the industry. Some examples could be things like the OpenStack solution, NSX from VMware, Nuage has a solution here, and other SDN controllers that are out there. From a control plane perspective, we're talking about how the network topology is built and how the VXLAN mapping information is propagated around that network. This is implemented in either one of those same SDN controllers or in one of the hardware VTEPs, which is one of the products that's actually doing the VXLAN encapsulation and decapsulation. And examples of these type of control planes could be IP multicast, it could be OVSDB for standards-based interface protocol support, it could be multi-protocol BGP, it could be Lisp as another example, and all of these are options that are use case specific to how a customer needs to solve the particular problem. Finally, there's the encapsulation, which is basically the formatting and framing on the wire into the VXLAN header type. And this is either done in the software level, at the virtual switch in the hypervisor, or in the hardware level at one of the routers, switches, or other gateways performing the VXLAN function. Arista is committed to an open standards-based architecture for our VXLAN solutions across our customer use cases, starting with tight integration of both physical and virtual environments. From an SDN controller perspective, we believe that you can bring your own controller across the variety of solutions available in the industry, giving customers choice and flexibility using our OVSDB implementation for standards-based interoperability. Similarly, on the networking side, we believe in a variety of IP control plane options that allow you to interoperate with other vendors and have a choice depending on your particular use case. And then finally, having a standards-based data plane using the VXLAN standard that Arista was key in co-authoring. So let's take a closer look at Arista's OCN strategy from a phasing perspective. Arista was a pioneer in VXLAN starting in 2012 with the first implementation from an IP multicast control plane perspective. That solution has been deployed quite broadly as customers are adopting this technology. Similarly, in 2014, we expanded it to include an SDN controller integration, so really tying those physical and virtual networks more tightly together, with integration using our OVSDB solution for OpenStack, NSX solutions, among others. And in 2015, we'll continue to enhance and evolve this through IP control plane solutions, integrating with multiple routing platforms in a standards-based approach. It's important to remember that all of these solutions do not replace one after the other, but they all provide solutions for unique use cases. So we'll continue to invest in and enhance each of the solutions independently. The ask from our customers is clear. In today's cloud-based networking environments, there's a need to move away from closed proprietary architectures from legacy vendors into open standards-based solutions that allow customers choice as they navigate cloud requirements. Arista's Open Control Network is an example of VXLAN-based solutions for a variety of customers' use cases using these open standards-based approaches and protocols. Thank you very much for your time today. I encourage you to start a conversation with Arista to learn more about the OCN and the various VXLAN solutions.